Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Justin. Thanks for stopping by. Today what we're going to be making is a cheddar jalapeno bread. And we're going to be using the Dutch oven, a 5.5 quart Dutch oven to make it. So it's going to have a closed top for the baking process, and then some of that period of time it will be open top. If you don't have a Dutch oven, it's okay to use a bundt cake as well. So I'm going to go ahead and get the ingredients out and show you exactly how to make this. We're going to start with 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 jalapenos, 2 cups of cheddar, of shredded cheddar I should say, 1 tablespoon of salt, and we're going to mix that up. Create you a pocket, and you're going to put warm water. My yeast, instant yeast, is calling for 120 to 130 degrees. This is 125 degrees. This is 2 cups of water and 1 tablespoon of yeast. Mix it. Try not to overmix, just lightly mix this until you incorporate everything together. Okay, now that we've got it all incorporated, you're just wanting to fold it. Just 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 times. And something to notice when you're doing this, see how it kind of sticks together? That's what you're looking for. And you want to, when it comes to that point, you want to fold it about 10 times. And then you're going to cover it for 1 hour. Okay, it's been 1 hour. So we'll remove the top and we're going to fold it 8 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh man, it smells amazing. Now we're going to cover it back up. Now let's grab our Dutch oven and put it in the oven at 450 degrees for 30 minutes and let it preheat while we're letting the bread rise one last time. We'll put a little flour on our surface. Then we're going to work this out of the bowl. And then we'll want to give it a little flour on top to keep it from sticking to our hands. And you're not going to work it much. You're just going to fold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that's all we need. Flour your hands a little so you can grab it. That's the shape of our bread. Put your bread on some parchment paper, because we're going to take this parchment paper and then put it inside the Dutch oven. We're going to cut us a line here. And there. And when that bakes, it's going to be nice. Then you'll want to get you a tablespoon of olive oil and just kind of brush it over. Now for the additional cheese, the cheddar. And this is about 3/4 of a cup of shredded cheddar. And then you'll want to take 1 extra jalapeno. And we're going to put 3 pieces on basically these 4 cutout slices, right? Just like that. Now we'll get the Dutch oven. Grab it like this, and put it like this. TP. Hopefully you can see. Put it in just like that. Grab our top, place it down. Oh, if we could only have smell-o-vision, you can smell the cheddar, the jalapeno. I can just smell the flavor of that. All right, now that we got it out of the oven, you want to carefully take this out because this is extremely hot. So let's grab it for the sides. Let's try and get all four. Grab those two, bring it over to our rack, and it is hot. The steam comes right to that side. And you want to kind of take the edges down. Let's see if we can, oh, check that out. All right, so we finished up our jalapeno cheddar bread, and it smells freaking awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and certify this as Yummo certified. It's definitely Yummo. I think you're gonna like this with tomato soup, maybe with just butter. Breakfast, you can have it with eggs, maybe with chili, something of that sort. Try to let it set for about an hour before chopping into it and serving it up to everybody. But it's going to be hard to do because the aroma that you're going to smell with all that cheddar and jalapeno will be very nice. You're going to be very tempted to just go ahead and dig into it. But try to give it a little bit of time, 15-20 minutes at the minimum. Let me talk about my next video that's coming up on Yummo. That's going to be a buffalo chicken dip, and we should be putting it out in just a couple days. Hopefully you're subscribed to the channel, and if you're not, you'll subscribe to the channel. Tap that notification bell so when I do put that video out, you get notified. And leave me a comment below if you like buffalo chicken dip. All right, with all that said, I'll see you on the next video. Oh, Yummo. All right, so we finished up the jalapeno cheddar bread, and this is definitely Yummo certified. Oh. All right, so we finished up the cheddar jalapeno bread. So you can tell I don't last an hour when we bring it. What?